Solve the today problem and then construct the lexically large finite sequence, and they are given an integer n, and the sequence of following satisfies the following, and their intersex is 1, and they are given an integer between 2 and n, and divide twice the sequence, and we measure the distance to numbers. It is ai and aj, and absolute distance difference between indices j comma j minus I, and they are given two examples input and output. It finally will prove the two statement input and output, and we solve the problem using this logic statement. It's very easy, and we read the question to solve the problem in our own concept. It was understand and you, and we learn new things about this problem. Okay, guys. While we solve the problem, first we initialize size, comma res, comma used is equal to multiply n minus 1, okay, n minus 1, and here 0, and we multiply with half to multiple with the n minus 1 of, okay, and we set off, okay, and we next we initialize here backtrack of diff back of here diff backtrack diff backtrack of 5, and here if I is equal to size, and here return true, okay, return true, okay. Next, if or I, okay, this we return backtrack, this we return backtrack of I plus 1, okay, I plus 1, and for numbers in range of n comma range of m comma here m comma 0 and comma minus 1, okay. Let's see, we initialize another one, and here not here calibrate here is, okay. Let's initialize number in use, okay, number in use list, and continue following statement, and here is equal to 1 plus number, if number less than 1, and here really is high, okay. Let's see if j greater than size, okay, and rest j, okay, and yes equal to 0, okay. And next res here, res of I, and here res comma j, and here number, okay, and use without add of number, and here in backtrack I plus 1, okay, return 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 true, okay, return true, okay. Next res 5, res of j, and here is equal to 0, okay. This we use dot remove of number, okay, and next we implement here uh, return false, okay, And next we initialize here, backtrack, backtrack of, backtrack of 0. Okay. And here, return press. Okay. Okay, finally we check we will run the code and check for the output here, and we run our check, and here, and yes, that's all run the cases. Why? That is some problems. I will solve the errors of them, this both. I will clear the errors and let me check the code. 1 second and compile our code. Yeah, it is compiled successfully. I will take and there's two statements input on output. Successfully compiled code and dumped, and that is no errors of finding. And here our code was successfully run today and no errors. And this is today about this is today's solution for leetcode challenge problem. And here date is 16 to 2025. Problem was solved and that is no errors. Statement was very logical. I will solve the problem. It's very easy to solve, and I will check and challenge that. Okay. While you compare your code, next submit your code. It is positive for the today problem, and will increase the bits of the daily code problem. Okay, guys. We committed the daily coding challenge committed. Committing coming problem 10 days streak. See you tomorrow, guys. Thank you for our lovable support. And please like our video, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you, guys. See you in next video for our new content. Keep support.